goes. There goes the WXM. Yes, let's go. Let's go. High wind marine. Let's go. Yes. Let's go, Zach.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. In Virginia, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Eastern Highland, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge and Western Highland, and the following counties in Maryland, Central and Eastern Allegheny and Western Garrett, and the following counties in West Virginia, Eastern Grant, Eastern Mineral, and Eastern Pendleton. High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Friday. West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour. In West Virginia, Eastern Grant, Eastern Mineral, and Eastern Pendleton counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Friday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread in Western Highland counties. In West Virginia, Eastern Grant, Eastern Mineral, and Eastern Pendleton counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Friday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. The strongest winds are expected above 3,000 feet around or just before daybreak Friday. A second and more widespread surge will follow from about midday through late afternoon, with a third surge of wind possible Friday evening. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. The 11